Distance from the land zone creates a hierarchy of power. The elite priests are
on throughout many areas of the New World. This development of sociocultural complexity, of leadership and authority, people saying we are not all created equal. They are establishing common ideas about what differentiates human beings and why some are more in a position to command than others.
the priests of Shavin create a shared experience centered on powerful sounds and symbols from the natural world. It transforms priests into leaders and people into citizens. Shavin isn't just the architecture of a temple, it's the foundation of a government.